faculty, officers, employees, students of Bodoland University, parents, ladies and gentlemen. It is better to light a candle than to curse the darkness. Today, on this occasion of the second convocation of the Bodoland University, I have all my best wishes for the students who are being awarded their degrees. I congratulate you on your well-deserved success. I also do congratulate your parents and family members who have contributed in no less terms towards your success in life. Your success in life will be a glowing tribute. I hope and pray that all our graduating students will shine in life and shall be the torch bearers of this region in their respective disciplines and field of expertise. Today, our society is in need of individuals who are capable of bringing about changes, a change for a better, a change that will enable us to live in a peaceful and harmonious coexistence, achieve sustainable development goals, and ensure social justice for all.